Hello everyone, so welcome to technology. So today we're going to see how to reverse the words in a string. So a little coding problem. So here, as we can see, you're given a single line of text containing words separated by spaces. Your task is to reverse the order of words in the string while keeping the characters within each word unchanged. The string consists of only of printable ASCII characters. So the input is a single line of text containing words separated by spaces, and the string consists of, did I spell it as strong or string? I don't know. The string consists of only printable ASCII characters, okay? So the string with the words reversed in order, but the characters in each word remain unchanged. So the constraints are the input contains between 100 and 1000 characters. Words in the input are separated by single spaces and no leading or trailing spaces in the input. Okay. So if we have to see the sample test cases here, we can see. So the test case 1, here we have hello world. So if we reversed it, world prints first and hello prints as the second word in the string. Okay. So if we see the sky is blue, blue prints first, east prints second, third we have sky, and fourth we have the or the, whatever. So this is how we have to do it. So I already, as you can see, I already imported a java.util package, and I already created the scanner object here. But let's see how we are going to solve this problem. This is so simple and so easy. Let me explain it in the word pad so that in the word, okay, so that it would be very easy and clear for you. So yeah. Okay guys, so let's see how to solve this problem. So here we have hello world, so we have to print it as world hello, right? So how we can do it is we are going to use the split method. Split method is in the pattern class. So what we're going to do is we are going to create we are going to split the string into words. Okay, here we have two words. So we are splitting the string into hello and world. Okay, we are splitting the string by giving the space as the delimiter or the condition. So we are using the split method to split the string as split the string using the word, using the spaces between them. Okay, line spaces between them. So here we have space. So it splits the string into hello and world, two different words. So what we're going to do is we are going to first print the world. Okay, after splitting it, we're going to first print the world. That means from last on we are going to print it. Okay, so we are going to print the world, and then we are going to give some space after printing it, and we're going to print the hello. So I hope it made sense for you. So what we are doing here is we are printing the world first and hello later on. Okay, so that is what we're doing here. Okay, so the world and the hello. So let me show you, let me implement it. Okay. Okay, so now let's see how to solve this, how to implement it. So first what I'm going to do is I already imported java.util package, everything in java.util package, so no need to worry about that. So now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create an object for the pattern. Okay, so this is, I'm going to create an object pattern. So let's create an object P, for example. So pattern dot compile. So what we are doing is here we are giving the spaces. Okay, here we are giving the spaces That means we already declared the pattern method, pattern class. In the pattern class, we are using the compile method to remove the spaces in the string. Okay, so we created an object here. So now what we're doing is we are taking a string here, string some, let's say, um, split. Okay, let's say split. The name of this string is split, or let's keep it as s. Okay, string s equal to, um, what we're doing is we're creating an array, right? So string s equal to whatever the object we've created here. This is the object we created, p, right? So p dot, we are using the split. So this is the method in the pattern class. Okay, so we have to give the, here we have to specify the name of the string which we want to split. Okay, so in order to specify it, first we have to take the input. So some string s1 equal to sc dot next. Okay, we are taking the input here. So here we have s1, and now what we are doing is we are taking another string which is result. Okay, res equal to, let's declare it like this. Now what we're doing is we are taking a for loop. Okay, let's take a for loop. I less than the array size s dot length. So this is what we're doing here. I'm going to explain it in a while. Okay, stay tuned, don't worry. So here what I'm doing here is, first I took a string to take the input. In the second line, what I'm doing is I'm taking another, a pattern. I'm creating an object for pattern. So using that object, I'm calling the split method in the pattern class. Okay, so here what I'm doing is I'm specifying to compile and to remove the white spaces. So in which one I have to remove the white spaces is in which one I have to split is in the string s1. So we are splitting it and we are storing it in the string s. Okay, in the string array s. In the string array we are storing this s1, the string. Okay, the words of the string which we split. So the hello is going to be stored in 0th position and world is going to be stored in 1st position. And next what we are doing is we are taking another string to print the result. So now we are iterating through this string array and we are going to write a condition here. We have to write a condition, and the condition is if I equal to s dot length minus 1. That means if we reach at the last position of the array, we have to just append this word, okay, directly. So that means directly we are appending the word to res, or otherwise if we are not in the last position, we have to include a space. That means between the hello and the world. So if we started with the world, if we started with the world, after world we have to append some space, right? Some space. So that's what we are doing. Space, that means we are putting a space there and we are appending it to the string. Okay, if that makes sense. So that means before we are appending it, we are putting some space. That's what we are doing. So here we are making sure that the size of the array is not, it's not the last one. Okay, so now what we are doing is it's done, we are done with this. So now it's time for us to compile this and let's see whether it's going to run. Okay, I don't know what's going on with my laptop. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, so let's try to see whether it works or not. Okay, there is an error here. illegal escape character. Okay, what's going on here? There is like, okay, I think I did a mistake here. I think we have to specify in this way. Let's see. Okay, there is a more error. There are more errors. Class pattern cannot find single variable pattern. Class pattern. Okay, so I feel like I have to specially import this from the reges regex. Okay, and I also have to import I okay. I also have to import scanner. Okay, so let's see now. Do this work? Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, here we go. No, guys. Actual result. Okay, I'm sorry. I forgot to print the statement here. So after the completion, we have to print, right? So I don't know what I'm doing. My head is somewhere. Print the res, that is result. So now let's go and let's see. Yeah, again failed. So it is only printing the first hello and it's not printing the world. That is what it's telling us. Okay, so it's printing hello. Why is printing hello? Hello. So God. Okay, let's see what's the problem here. So it have to print in this way, but they're telling us it's not printing as printing in this way. It's printing in some other way. I equal to 0 while is the length I plus plus equal to s dot length r is equal to s of I plus result. So guys, I got the problem here. So we defined it as next here, but we have to give next line because whenever we are taking the input, if we specify it as next, it's going to take only one line and it's going to end and stop taking the input if it has a white space. So if we define it as next line or if we gave next line, it's going to take the whole line as an input. So now let's try to see whether it's performing or not. Yes. Yeah, that's the problem here. So next line and next. Don't get confused between these two. Okay, so that is what we have today. So if you want the code, um, you can see right now. Okay, you can see it right now. So this is the code. So that is what we have today. So thank you so much for watching till the end, and thank you so much. And take care. I'm going to be back with more such videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.